What's up, guys? As you can see, it's extremely difficult to record without an external microphone. Let's get back to the studio. What is up, guys? I hope you guys are having a great day today. Today we're going to be 3D printing some accessories for the Boya BY-M1 Lav mic, and I'll give you my impressions on that versus the sound from a cell phone. We're going to talk a little bit about production value of your videos. When I started this YouTube channel, I thought, hey, I have a really good cell phone and the picture quality is pretty good. So guess what? I have everything I need to start a YouTube channel. Well, I couldn't be more off track. You see, for good production value, you need a good camera, but you also need good sound. And when I did my research, I realized that I really needed to step it up from using a cell phone to using a proper microphone. My videos went from looking like this. Hey guys, today's video is about moving from FDM printing to SLA printing to looking like this. So what do we need to raise the production value of your videos? Today, I'm going to give you my impressions on the Boya BY-M1 mic, which is a budget microphone for budding YouTubers so that you can get some really good audio quality for your videos. And we'll also be 3D printing some accessories to make your life a little bit easier using the Boya BY-M1. If you came to this video to look at the 3D printed accessories, click here or here. I'm not sure where it is, but you'll see it on screen. Click that and you'll jump straight to the 3D printing section. If not, we'll continue with my review of the Boya BY-M1 and my thoughts compared to a cell phone. So I'm going to break this down into 3 categories. The first one is price, the second is sound quality, and the third is convenience. So let's talk about the price. The Boya BY-M1 is one of the most affordable lav mics that you can get right now on Amazon. So the Boya BY-M1 right now on Amazon is about $19.95 or thereabouts, which to me is a great entry price for someone who is now starting a YouTube channel, or if you're just looking for better sound quality in your videos. So what do you get for that price? So you get the lav mic, you get the clip to clip it onto your clothes, you get a 1/8 to 1/4 adapter for some devices that need a 1/4 input, you get a sound barrier that fits over the microphone, and you get, well, in my case, in the package that I got, a white cleaning cloth. You also get a pouch which allows you to keep everything together. So on to point number 2. Sound quality. Well, when you use a cell phone to capture the audio that you need for your video, I think that it's not that well shielded from road noise and from wind and all of these other factors that come into play when you're trying to record your video. When you use an external mic like this one, you get good sound from your sound source. My initial impressions are, if you have a choice between using an external microphone and using the sound from your camera or from your cell phone, you should always go with an external microphone. That brings me to point number 3, convenience. This microphone comes with 20 feet of cable, and that is a good thing. If you have to take videos from a very long distance, you could still keep your microphone tethered to your camera or your phone and still be able to do your recording with crystal clear quality. However, that cable could get really unwieldy sometimes, and guess what? That tangles and knots and you get a lot of problems. So from a convenience perspective, I think that we could do a little bit better. So there are a couple things that I didn't like too much about this lav mic. The first is, it comes with a preamp if you have to use it with a camera. And there have been many times that I've been recording and I've recorded an entire session and then I realized that the preamp was off. Yeah. That meant I had to redo the entire segment, and there's nothing to remind you that you need to switch the preamp on if you're using this with a camera. So keep that in mind. Another thing I didn't like about this, and I guess I should have known that when I placed the order for it, it's actually 20 feet long, and if you're recording like here, which is like 2 feet from the camera, there's all this cable that you need to take care of, and that could get in your way sometimes. I have ended up tripping on it, or it's wrapping up on the tripod, or so many different things just to get this going. But those are about the only gripes I had with this microphone. It's actually pretty good. It's a small size, and it's very well hidden when you have to get yourself mic'd up for your videos. So what we're going to do today is we are going to print some accessories to help us with this very long cord that came with this microphone. So I went on Thingiverse and I did a search for Boya BY-M1, and this actually came up, and it's a really good option for wrapping your cable and keeping it well managed while you're out in the field doing your recording. It even has a handy clip that clips onto your clothes so that you could keep it within reach if you need to switch the preamp on or switch it off. If you look at the lav clip, it's actually perpendicular to the microphone. So here is a little accessory that I actually put together in Tinkercad that will allow us to clip the microphone vertically and have it pinned to your clothes in a vertical orientation. I've included a long clip and a short clip in the description, so you should be able to print any one that you like. And depending on the color of the clothes that you're going to wear, you could even print it in that color. So based on my initial use of this lav mic, I would have to say this is a best buy. For that price and for this sound quality, you can't be beat. If you're looking to get it, I have links in the description. You'd be able to get access to it directly on Amazon. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe for more great content coming your way. Have a good one.